Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeff at Auto Sauce, and today we're going to wax this beautiful truck behind me. I'll show you how to do it, some tips and tricks on how to use our Saffron Spice Wax coupled with our blue raspberry applicator and our blue basil microfiber, which is super soft and plush. So, without further ado, we'll get to work on this truck. All right, here we are. Got our Saffron Spice Wax, our blue raspberry applicator, and of course our truck. I'm going to shake this up and prime the pad first. Put a lot of wax on this applicator pad and squish it together. That way I have some good coverage here. And on the hood, I'm gonna go back and forth. So I'll start here in the middle, and I'm just gonna go forwards and backwards, all the way down. I do want to make sure that I get all of it. And we'll go back over it. And I'm going to go forwards and backwards on the hood just to reduce the look of getting swirl marks. Good. You want to make sure you're in a cool place to do this. You don't want to be directly in the sun. You don't want a helicopter circling overhead. With just a thin layer, you're going to want to let that just haze up for a few minutes. Maybe even just maybe 30 seconds, minute tops. And then we'll go out and we'll buff it out right now. All right, it's nice and hazed up, as you can see, pretty much dry. Gonna grab our blue basil microfiber, which is super soft, and just buff it out. I am going in a circular motion. You can go back and forth. You don't have to be picky about it. Make sure you get everything off. Come around with here to the front. Make sure I finish this all off. You do want to work in smaller sections like this. Split the hood in half. Do a full fender, do a full door. Split the roof. It'll make getting the wax off a lot easier. As you can see, when we're done, we have a super nice, smooth finish. I mean, doesn't get any smoother than that. It's pretty easy. Probably do the whole car in under an hour. So I'm gonna get to work and finish this thing up. Thanks for watching, and remember to go to the website, pick up some Saffron Spice Wax, pick up a blue basil microfiber as well as a blue raspberry applicator, and get sauced, and we'll see you on the next video.